Nnamdi Kanu is like Odudu Bere somewhere. That is Nnamdi Kanu for you. Let the federal government handle him with care.
Hello, my brothers and sisters, my friends and my well-wishers. I'm Broken Decorated Well now for it's still a big G. I'm saying it's no CC. Ebrum Batos on Roaching Ketak Pompon. Ibonya Man Agent. Niki says so you're right. When I can our YouTube channel and subscribe. Go to our Instagram and Facebook page and follow us. I'm saying it's no because our Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka say you're the release of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi, or your federal government of Nigeria, Biko Dododo. Ka hapụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mmakwụcha nwunye okwu kama ịtọ ntị n'ala ijiri anya gị kirie ya dịka ise kiri nke a echefukwana ka izisara m ozi a ka olu onye ilo m ntị ma lukwe ndị fụrụ m n'anya.
Let the federal government handle him with care. There is a kind of bone that you may mistakenly swallow. You have to be careful in bringing it out or in sending it down. No problem. If you want to swallow it, problem. If you want to vomit it, wahala. That is Nnamdi Kanu for you. So we have to be careful. I will rather plead with the governors that came for Bazaar. Both my governor Ugwuanyi, His Excellency, and the governor of Ebonyi, Dave, and the other governors in Igbo land, you better come together without delaying and have a meeting on how to bring out this bone so that the entire cardiothoracic zones will be preserved, devoid of harm to other sensitive nervous organs. Because other sensitive organs can be affected, and paralysis may be the resultant effect. Abụrụ ebe niile Odudu bere ka a na-eti. O nwere ebe Odudu ga-ebe. Gwa nwanne gị na ọbụrụ ebe niile anaghị eti Odudu bere ebe niile. Maka were ebe ị ga-eti imebie ihe. Ọ maka ndị na-eti Odudu. Nnamdi Kanu is like Odudu bere somewhere. Ị ga-enu ntị n'egwu a m na-agụ kịta. Onye gburu Nnamdi nọ na be ha, ogbo ya egbu. Nwachukwu ogbo ya egbu ya ga-eri ya ogbo ya egbu. Onye hụrụ Nnamdi nọ na be ha, ogbo ya egbu. Ogbo ya egbu ya ga-eri ya ogbo ya ga-eri ya ogbo ya egbu ya ga-eri ya agịgbo ya ga-eri ya agịgbo ya ga-eri ya asịgbo ya ga-eri ya agịgbo ya ga-eri ya Nwachukwu ya ga-eri ya asịgbo ya ga-eri ya onye bụbara ya asịgbo ya bụbara ya asịgbo ya bụbara ya asịgbo ya bụbara ya asịgbo ya ga-eri ya ya ga-eri ya Nnamdi bụ Nwachukwu asịgbo ya ga-eri ya onye bụrụ Nwachukwu onye bụrụ anya Nnamdi bụ nwanne Nnamdi bụ nwanne ya ga-eri ya ya ga-eri ya to keep silent because it should be subdued into such a crisis. How is the person medically handled? Over what? Are they handling his case within the context of Nigerian law? Have they forgotten that there's what is called international law? Nigeria is not larger than the world. Oh, you would do one in. So my prayer is that Nnamdi will not die in their hand. Because last week now they brought him, we saw him. Listen, if by any carelessness that boy's life is endangered, it may turn into what nobody imagines. Now his case is still within the context of medicine, benign. Let us handle the benign case in a benign manner with wisdom. If we allow this benign case to become malignant, and the malignancy of the situation may metastasize in such a manner that it becomes uncontrollable. Don't throw away my word, because it will always come true. So I am asking President Buhari, for one thing, give amnesty to Nnamdi Kanu. Courageously do it. Rather give him some conditions. But above all, Nnamdi did not just come down from America, from London, and saw good roads and power everywhere and industries, and our youth working and started talking. Something precipitated that situation. So the government should do what they should do. As I said, there are millions of Nnamdi Kanus. Both those in the military, both those in the police, both those in the Air Force, those in the Naval. There are silent Nnamdi Kanus. Before this implosion situation may suffer explosion. Before we have what we call volcanic eruption. It is not the day that a volcano erupted that it started suffering the heat effect that tantamounted and metamorphosized into hot cracking of the rock that is called volcanic eruption. Let Nigeria not suffer volcanic eruption. Because if things are going well, of course, it didn't start with a Buhari. Many past leaders messed us up. Buhari is an unfortunate victim. And the way things are being handled in his time, those who are advising him are not helping matters. There is a hunger on the land. A hungry man is an angry man. How can our hungry youths be watching our leaders as bourgeois, watching our senators, our people in the House of Reps, in their wealthy nature and opulence, celebrating opulence in a time of hardship? No job. But in these sensitive security issues, the apparatus they are using are not wonderful. Until they do what should be done, this matter will become a situation that nobody can control.